What's up, you fucking bastards? Time for another fucking video, I guess. I mean, what the hell? Mad Dog Monday. It's Mad Dog Monday, yes. I just came up with that right now. I know I'm probably not the first person to come up with it. I guarantee you I'm not. But I drank a Mad Dog last Monday night, and had been the first one I had in a long time, and figured, hey, I'll try another one tonight, and maybe I'll do Mad Dog Monday, maybe like a themed kind of thing. I don't fucking know. Whatever. I know some people do that kind of theme stuff. It's cool. So, I don't know how long this will last. Mad Dog Mondays. 2 weeks, 2 months. This will be the last one. I don't fucking know. Who knows? Stay tuned. You'll find out. I got the blue one. The blue Mad Dog. You know, they had the fucking blue one. They had the orange one, which did last week. Where I figured I'd switch it up. And then they had the peaches and cream. So I chose this one, the bling bling. They got the little bling bling right there. I chose it, you know. And I'm not going to do this very well, but I'm going to try to see how it goes my first time. An attempt at a shotgun. I'm probably going to end up having to stop halfway through because this is a lot of fucking liquid and really gross liquid, and I'm not going to drink it all in one, but I'll probably like get some down with the shotgun, and then I'm afraid to do this because, man, I've never shotgunned anything like this before. Man, this is going to be brutal. Absolutely brutal. Okay, I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm just going to drink. Shoutouts to everyone. I'll do shoutouts after I fucking do this. Oh my God. And the way they did run, you sure must be strong. And you feel like an ocean made warm by the sun. When I was just 9 years old, that was ridiculous. Your face on the oh, wow. You don't even need a song. I'll play that in another video. Oh. Mad Dog, shotgun, right there. Oh. I can't believe I did the whole thing. I thought I was going to have to stop halfway through. I'm going to be fucking drunk after that. Holy shit. A bottle of wine in less than 10 seconds, probably. Alright, shoutouts. Shout out to fucking everyone watching my malt liquor videos. Just all of you. I appreciate everyone's support. Shits and Shades, Real Steel Tits. My 2 companions in making MLVs here in Mass. MMLDU, represent. 00 Shawn Michaels 00. Code 45 Powerlifter. 9:30 a.m. Moses Love 69. I can't do a huge shout out list right now because I don't have one prepared in front of me, and I'll forget like everyone. But you know, it was a Mad Dog kill. That's all it is, and I gotta go. That was fucking good. That was incredible. Mad Dog. I mean, it was good for me.